2025, Nike delivers a fresh spin on the Air Force 1 Low, blending luxury and function. The design swaps the classic leather side panels for breathable white mesh, improving seasonal comfort without losing its clean, all-white identity. Smooth leather overlays on the toe, eyestays, and heel preserve the heritage vibe, while the iconic white swoosh stays in place. Luxe details shine through many metallic gold swooshes on the forefoot, gold branding on the tongue and heel, and a refined gold stripe running across the heel. A wide midsole and outsole keeps the OG look grounded in tradition. Balancing style, versatility, and breathability, this update suits both transitional weather and year-round wear. While its exact release date remains unannounced, the white mesh and gold-accented Air Force 1 Low will land later this year via Nike.com and select retailers, extending the silhouette's streetwear reign.